What I'm about to show you is proof that one of these, and this is a carbon monoxide detector, and this one had a fault. It alarmed and there was no way to reset it. But the video I'm about to show you is proof that one of those can save somebody's life. Here it goes. I'm about to show y'all something. We had a carbon monoxide alarm go off. This reading right here is the carbon monoxide parts per million. Watch this.
Checkbooks alone, man.
Yep. Set that heater down, set that gas off.
If I was, I think it's just a little thing shooting off. Yeah, that man don't need you following him. Come on.
You see that? 28 parts per million.
Wow. Black tape.
27, 28 parts per million. I'm gonna have to turn this off.
Huh?
This is the carbon monoxide detector that was being used. It's now 0 parts per million, but watch this. I couldn't get peak level, I couldn't get it to hush. It alarmed, it did its job, but there was no way to reset it. Let's see if I can get a lock on this thing. Sometimes I have trouble getting this key out. There we go. I'm gonna have to advise the utility company that I've locked it and why I had to lock it, so it's gonna have to pass an inspection before it can be turned back on. This call ended with me notifying the fire department and turning off the meter and locking it, as you saw. So thanks for watching, and go Navy, beat Army.